before me,
These rare
start,
glasses, guys.
round number 11. So anyone wants to use the devil card?
Yeah, I want.
Who wants to use?
Yeah, I want.
I
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wants to use the devil card against?
Romit. Because I think उसने अभी बोला player.
Okay. So player's name?
Shankar.
Okay.
I'm just wasting it.
I wouldn't have taken.
So anyone else wants to use Joker card in this round? Round number 11?
No.
No one? So let's start with round number 11. Varun, you're the first one.
Harishankar Reddy, the fast bowler, CSK.
Okay, nice. You are probably building a young squad this time. So Rivanshu, your turn.
Wait, who got Vijay Shankar?
No one.
No one.
So I'll choose Navdeep Saini.
Oh. So let's move on to third person. Vaibhav, it's your turn.
Okay. राहुल चेर तो ऑब्वियसली होगा. सॉरी. करियप्पा हो गया ना?
AC Kariappa, he's still available.
हाँ. अच्छा वो चक्रवर्ती है. केसी करियप्पा दूसरा गंदा.
Chakravarti sold.
हाँ, sorry, I was thinking of Chakravarti. Sorry. Just a moment. कुलदीप यादव भी गया क्या?
हाँ.
मिश्रा भी गया?
हाँ.
है ना?
You should probably look beyond KKR.
अरे वो ले लूँ क्या? मोटू. I'll pick Piyush Chawla यार. ठीक है.
So now Nikhil, it's your turn.
Well, I'm gonna take Karthik Tyagi.
Finally. People are looking at Rajasthan Royals franchise now. So Yatharth, it's your turn.
I'm going. How many Indian players have I picked?
You have picked 4.
Oh. Ishan Kishan is sold now.
Yeah.
Shivam Maghi.
Nice one, man. Probably this will trigger another name.
Yeah.
So after this, it's Romit's turn.
Ashton Agar.
Oh, nice one.
Romit has picked 6 overseas so far, only 1 slot left. So now let's move on to Anuj. So Anuj.
Arzan Nagaswala.
That one who is going as a reverse player for the England tour. That guy?
Yes.
Yeah. Stand by player.
Okay.
Ashish, your turn.
Anuj Rawat.
Nice one. If you look at Rajasthan Royals squad, you will get more players. That's another hint. So Sanjay, it's your turn.
Shardul Thakur.
Nice.
And Naman in round number 11.
Riyan Parag.
Yeah. Naman
Oh, great.
Naman got the hint. So now let's move on to round number 12.
No, he was on my list.
Yeah. So let's move on to round number 12. Anyone wants to use the devil card?
Well, I want to use the Joker card.
I want to use the Joker card.
Yeah.
Me too. Joker card.
Who all wants to use?
Me.
Naman.
Me.
Naman.
Is it round number 11?
No, we are at round number 12. We are starting round number 12.
I didn't get chance in this round. If you can check.
You were second, Rivanshu, I guess.
9, 10, 11. You have
Yeah,
11.
you took Navdeep Saini.
Yeah, you have 11
Yeah,
players.
you took Navdeep Saini.
Okay.
We all have 11.
So, yeah, who wants to use this Joker card?
Me.
Sanjay.
Sanjay.
Nikhil.
Sanjay and
Nikhil.
okay, so we will have only one this Joker
I have
card.
only 10 players. I have only 10.
You have 11, man.
Yeah, everyone has 11. So among
Okay, okay, I'll check.
Sanjay and Nikhil, yes, Nikhil can use this Joker card. So Nikhil, you want to
Yes.
swap? Nikhil, you want to swap with?
Well, I want to swap it with Anuj.
So Anuj, you just got lucky. So now you will be third, and Nikhil will be 8th.
Oh, man.
So now we are starting round number 12. So Yatharth, you are the first one to select your player.
Let's check. Rituraj Gaikwad.
No, he's
Sold.
हो गया.
Sold
He's
to
on.
me.
Indian. I have. Any suggestion for a good Indian batsman?
Go Manan Vora.
You can include Ajinkya Rahane. Delhi
Ajinkya
Capitals.
Rahane.
Ajinkya
Sarfaraz
Rahane.
Khan.
I am going with Yashasvi Jaiswal.
yeah. Okay. So now round number 12. Second owner is Ashish.
Nicholas Puran.
Nicholas. Okay. Yes. Now it's Anuj's turn.
Mohammad Hafiz.
Nice one. Nice one. So round number 12. Next. Yeah. Naman, you're next.
Hashim Amla.
you're next.
Hashim Amla.
Hashim Amla तो retired है यार.
Retire हो
Hashim
गया.
Amla is retired.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Is Imran Pin?
Okay, sorry.
नहीं
Is
तो
Imran Pin?
हम लोग फिर वसीम अकरम को
Is Imran Pin? Imran Pin?
Did you say Imran?
Imran Tahir? Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So Vaibhav, you're next.
यार वापस किसी का एको हो रहा है. जेसन होल्डर.
Okay. So Varun, you're next.
Saurabh Tiwari.
Nice one. You need to look at Mumbai Indian squad more carefully. Next is Sanjay.
Yeah, one sec. Shubman Gill.
Yeah, sold.
Gill is sold. KS Bharat.
No. So now next is Nikhil.
Well, I'm going to take Ishant Sharma.
Yes. Rivanshu.
highest wicket taker of PSL Hasan Ali.
Who?
Hasan Ali.
गाइस कोई गुड डिवाइस से है क्या? एको हो रहा है आवाज थोड़ा।
Now, Romit, it's your turn, and then
Mayank Agarwal.
Mayank Agarwal is so
Taken. Romit is taken.
Oh, Priyam Garg.
okay. Right. So now we are moving with round number 13. So after round number 13, we will take a break and then we will continue. So, anyone wants to use this devil card?
Can everyone be on mute because the voice is echoing too much?
Ashish, unmute.
I will use Joker card. Deep.
Okay. So who wants to use Joker card with?
With Romit.
Yeah, this time you got lucky. So now
I want to use the devil card because I want to use the devil card because I don't want to get it in base. So I'll use. I'll use it on Romit. So I'll use Mitchell McLean.
okay. So Romit, you can't pick Vijay Shankar. You can't pick Mitchell McLean. So now let's start with round 13. So yeah. First one is Varun.
All right. Shakib Al Hasan.
Nice one, man. Naman, you're next.
Adam Zampa.
Okay. So
Your voice is echoing so much.
next one is Anuj.
Manas Labuschagne.
Oh, interesting pick, man. Interesting pick. Your overseas quota is over. So now the next one is Revanshu.
Ben Cutting. No. Sorry. Not Ben Cutting. Joe Root.
You want to change, Revanshu?
Yeah. I want to change.
But probably you must have given some hint. Yes, Revanshu.
Yeah, Joe Root.
Yeah, Revanshu, can you name the player?
Am I audible?
Yes. Can you name your player?
Joe Root.
Nice one, man. So now let's move to Sanjay. You are on mute.
Avesh Khan.
Sold.
स्टीवन स्मिथ है क्या अभी भी?
हाँ.
भाई तुम तो हिंदी बेचते हो।
Yeah, Sanjay. You need to pick.
रहाणे ले लो।
David Malan.
रहाणे ले।
You're picking Malan.
Yeah.
Nice one. So Ashish, you're next.
Team Seifert.
Oh. Still waiting for my guy. So, Yatharth, you're next.
My next is Ben Cutting.
Yeah, your
I
overseas
finished
quota is also over. So, yeah, Romit, you're next.
And Jagadisan.
Nice.
Now, two more buys.
Yeah.
Nikhil,
I'm going with Shimran. I'm going with Shimran Hetmaya.
Hetmyer is picked, man.
Hetmaya's pick.
Yeah, Ashish picked him.
Okay. So I'm
Bravo,
gonna
bro.
go with. I'm gonna go with. Let me see. I'm gonna go with Nathan Coulter-Nile.
Okay.
Nice.
And now the last pick for today in Webhub.
I was waiting for this guy. मेरे को कोई स्पिनर चाहिए था अच्छा जो बैटिंग कर ले. शाहबाज अहमद.
Nice.
It was just on my list. I saw. मैंने सोचा
I
कि
was
शायद
also going to pick him.
Nice.
Damn,
So
man.
we will end this auction here today. And now the remaining 5 rounds we can continue next time.